Today's episode on water splash techniques, I'm going to do a very weird thing today. I'll be doing a focus stacking of water splash with the setup I'll be explaining soon. Welcome to my channel. I have started a series of water splash techniques, creative macro photography of water splash on my tabletop studio. I have already uploaded a couple of videos on water splash. First one was with the details techniques of making a very simple, easy technique of water splash without using any expensive equipment like MIOPs or other water dropping mechanisms or equipment. Those things are very expensive, but I'm using a Coca-Cola bottle and a very simple IB fluid dripping set. So if you are interested to do water splash at your home as a beginner, I should recommend to use a very simple technique without investing a lot of money on equipments like MIOPs or other equipments. But today I'll be doing a very weird thing. I'll be doing a focus stacking of water droplets. Let me start taking some pictures, and at the end of this video I will show you the result of this focus stack pictures of water splash. If you like my videos, if you like my techniques, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question to ask about this water splash techniques or any other issues on macro photography, gears and equipments, please do not hesitate to comment in the down below. Now I'm going to start focus stacking of water splash on this bowl, and there is a dripping nozzle over here, a needle. Let me start. I'm going to start a focus stacking of these water droplets, but actually this is not water. I'm using a milk as a drop so that I can have a nice white color drops against a black background. And what I'll do, snapshots using Sony A7R3 camera, GOWDA V1 flash, a radiant diffuser and Lava 90mm macro lens. So what I'll do, I'll take a series of snapshots. I'm forwarding the camera with the wheel so that I can select some of the pictures, focus pictures, for focus stacking. I'm changing the wheel. Now I'm going backwards. Now I'll go forwards again. I'll increase the water droplet a little bit. I'm using a shutter release trigger and gradually forwarding the camera. I'll take several hundred pictures and select some of it for focus stacking.